So I'm Mike Molesworth. I've been running the Contemporary Perspectives in Marketing for the Henley full-time MBA programme. One of the things we decided to do is to take a different approach to some of the assessment and to expose our students to simulations. Some of this is so that we can assess them on their business skills, but also so that they can think about the value of simulation games in the workplace when they're in work. So we invited SimVenture to come and run a day's workshop.
It was an enjoyable experience. So we notice even in real life how these different decision operation and the decision in marketing, how they are impacting customers and the dynamic and the environment.
Well, the simulation was a really nice experience. It was very interesting. I think we got to work as a team.
Actually, we learn a lot while we are practicing and seeing what's happening, and then practicing again, and seeing the results in terms of sales and costs, and sometimes you are profiting and sometimes you are losing. And from all of these discussion and analysis, we learn from each other.
Our company didn't do too well, but I think that as a team and learning to work, especially in a time-constrained situation, it was really good.
But perhaps what was most interesting about the day is to see the students really engaged. They were talking practically the whole day, completely ignored me for most of what I said because they were kind of buried in this immersive simulation. And I could see their emotions, their kind of smiles and cheers when things were going well, and their kind of disappointment when their decisions had not produced the results they want. So we're all going home now, we're exhausted, but really good day, very easy to see the value in terms of education, and no doubt the students, when I see them next week, will be talking to me about how they might use that in the workplace with managers, with colleagues. So really successful day, and thanks to SimVenture.